We are still out in Vacaville, which is a suburb of Sacramento. So check out what they got at the Adidas Outlet. Okay, so we still got 40% off most stuff. Let's go see. This outlet is huge, one of the biggest Adidas outlets I've ever seen. All right, this outlet has all kinds of stuff my outlet does not. Even the Ultra Boost, 40% off. We got the Solar Glides, 110, 40 off. See, these bad boys not on sale, but 126 is still a good price. Ultra Boost 19s, not on sale, but 126. Yeah, feels like that's a good price already. Some more Ultra Boost 2019s, 126. Oh, Ultra Boost goes. I think these are women's going for 140% off. That's what, 60 bucks. Women's Solar Boost. What's it? 140% off, 60 bucks. Uncaged Ultra Boost women's 180, 40% off. This is the non-boost section. They have a big selection though. Here's a legit some old school, 60 bucks. Old school hoop and shoes, 60 bucks, 40% off. Stan Smith, 60 bucks, 40% off. Alpha Bounce, 80 bucks, 40% off. More old school, what are they, the Grand Court, 60 bucks, 40% off. D-Reps, 70 bucks, 40% off. These slides are hella cheap, 20 bucks, 40% off. So what is that, 12 bucks? 12 bucks per slide? Oh man, they got all kinds of colors. Look at this. Black, blue. Pretty much all 20 bucks, 40% off. Look at these. Oh my goodness. This is nuts. Look at this shit, dude. Look at this. This is crazy. 12 bucks a slide, dude. Some old schools. Nizzas, 55, 40% off. Daily 2.0s, these are 55. I guess these are one of the few that's not 40% off. Okay. I don't know what these are called, but they're old school, 40% off, 80 bucks, 40% off. 70 bucks. Got marathons, 90 bucks, 40% off, a bunch of different marathons, a bunch of different colorways. Some NMDs. It's a clearance section. They pretty much got all the women's, kids, and men's all together. Kind of a hodgepodge. Not that big, but they probably sell out because the prices are so good here. Probably sell out. Old school for women, 60 bucks, 40% off. 60 bucks, 40% off, old school. More old school, 60 bucks, 40% off. More old schools. Keep the old school movement going. 60 bucks again. Oh, these are suede. These are actually real cool. 60 bucks, 40% off. More for 60. Damn, everything's like 60 here. Got the women's slide action going for 12 bucks a piece too. All kinds of colorways, 12 bucks a piece. Yeah, that's crazy. Woo! It is hot. It's hot outside. I don't know, what's it like, 100 degrees or something? I don't know. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like all these videos. I will definitely have 3 or 4 videos coming every week. So see you in the next one.